All right, we're here at Billy's shop. We've got a show this weekend, or not this weekend, because it is this weekend, but next weekend. And we got some things that need to be done to this thing. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the front end sits at an angle. Well, we've got the original wheels that came off that 90 we want to put on here, and new tires. Should have new tires by then. We'll see. I don't know. Walmart struck again. But anyways, we can't fix the camber, if that's right. I'm trying to think now. Either way, we can't fix the angle because it has shocks for 460 and it's got, or springs for 460, and it's got 351 now. So we got new springs, new front shocks, and I think rear shocks, I don't know. They don't look right, but whatever. Anyways, we're gonna change them out. So hopefully whenever Walmart gets my tires in, I can put them on, hopefully for the show this weekend. All right, so that's the one side.
It's actually taller.
Whoa.
Nope, same size. Same height. Don't look like it though, does it?
Well, it's leaning to one side. Of course, you know that side was hit over there. But anyways,
46.
sitting down a little bit, I can't get far enough out to show you. It's still leaning, but once you start it up and turn it a few times, it'll settle down. So let's do the other side. All right, so top two bolts right up there. Shock bolt, that big old bottom bolt. That's how it comes out. All right. Sorry for the wind noise. It's super windy. Ants. So we got the car show tomorrow, and there's a chance of rain all day tomorrow. But that's fine. I asked my boys if they wouldn't mind vacuuming this thing out, and they didn't do that good of a job. But they did, pretty close. It'll be all right. We'll vacuum out some more. The issue we're having is the carpet's messed up here, and of course the seat cover's crud, but yeah. So the plan is right now, I'm just gonna put a floor mat over that for now, but I need to back this thing out in the road and wash the the engine and the outside, and that's all we're gonna do to it. I'm gonna pull it back up here in the driveway, and we'll vacuum a little bit more of the inside better. And the forward, we need to wash the engine and wash the outside. Supposedly they did the inside of that one too for me. That's awesome. We'll check it. Probably have to do a little bit more, but I mean, he did a decent job. So we take this thing out to the lake. There was a lot of mud in there, but we'll get that, get them put on the trailer, and we'll go to the car show in the morning. And if you guys didn't notice, Walmart struck again. We didn't get the new tires. They're not gonna be here till Monday. But next week, we have another show for these two to go in, and I got more one due to that truck. Hopefully the tires and some stuff for the bed. But that'll be another video. But let's get this thing. I think the best thing to do is go ahead and back this thing out to the road, and then we'll just wash it out there, then pull it back in the driveway. Do the same thing with the Ford. Pull it in the driveway, go get the green bean, load them up, strap them down. All right, so there's the Jeep. The wind's picking up. It's actually starting to thunder now. Just in case you guys are wondering, well, why in the world are you doing all this work to wash it and all that if it's gonna possibly rain? Well, that's simple. If it rains tonight, it'll be a real easy rinse off before we go. And then when we get there, put the shine juice on it and everything, and it'll look pretty good. Shoot, it's raining right now. Oh, man. Yeah, let's look at the radar. I at least got to get the engine on that thing done. Let's look at the radar. Went ahead and pull the Jeep in the driveway. It keeps, as you guys can see, it's sprinkling now. There's really nothing out there though. But either way, I can, like I said, I still need to get that washed. I'll do the engine on it. But I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record it. All right. Well, I don't know how bad the wind noise is going to be, but this is my show bucket. And just going to let you guys know what I put in my show bucket. Put gloves, plastic bags. These are important. I may need to go grab a couple more because the shine juice will spontaneously combust. So you need to make sure you're able to keep the rags out of the air. The gloves fell. Now I've got extra gloves just in case. Pair of pliers because the shine juice sometimes is hard to open. This is a rag used for tire shine. Extra rags to put the shine juice on. Terry cloth, hand cleaner, because you're going to need it. Tire shine. This right here is no scrub all wheel cleaner. Don't need it, but I keep it just in case. Paper towels. The only thing I forgot to grab. Glass cleaner. So now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put all this in the back of the Jeep, and I'm gonna put my lake chairs and the awning for just in case. Then we're gonna load the trailer up. Alright, there we go. Man, I question those so much. They are so much faster though. Easier to use. I mean, all around. Just way nice. But I don't know, I guess I'm old school. I may have them a little tight because I'm scared. Don't want the truck roll off. Anyways, I'll bring you back tomorrow when we get there. We will unload them. I gotta wipe the chrome down on the motor in this one and shine juice both of them. It rained again a little bit while we were washing them, but it stopped. So it'll be okay. All right, here we are. Got them shine juiced up. Don't know how much video we'll be able to do today, but got the chrome kind of wiped down. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, it's been doing this for about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Started about 9. I do believe we're gonna have to leave them here because I can't load them up on a wet trailer. They'll just spin. We'll let you know how it happens. Well, the plan was to walk around and show you some cars, but it's been raining since 9 o'clock. So we're all loaded up. We didn't place, but that's all right. That'll end this video, and we'll make some changes to that, to the Ford, and try again next week. Sorry about the gap in the film and everything, but we didn't get as much done as we wanted to get done on the vehicles, but we went ahead and combined both shows in one. Well, all right. We'll load it up, getting ready to go. So, the only concern is it rained all night. And I'm afraid that we're going to kick water up on them. Well, I don't know. We'll have to see what happens. And here we are. All the cars. Had a great time. It was great. It was hot. Oh my word, was it hot. Now, with that being said, we did not place. But my wife won this. Which was pretty cool. I mean, she was excited. She didn't know she won it. people offer to buy it left and right. I don't have a shop. I wish I had a shop. If YouTube would blow up, I'd have a shop. But anyways, I think we're gonna put it in the house. I think we'll find a spot for it. But she was excited. I was excited. It was great. It was heavy. Oh my words, it's heavy. But again, at the end of this one, I believe this is the end of the Jeep for right now. And what I mean by that is, I think we're gonna pull it apart, sand it, fix all the dents and dings and cracks, and repaint it. So that'll be a future video coming up. Several of them, I'm pretty sure. Thank y'all for watching. Honestly, 382 right now people that watch me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Since we're fixing to take the Jeep and, you know, redo everything on it, enjoy this last little montage of photos and videos of the last time it's going out. It may go out one or more, 2 times maybe, but we're not going to record it. We're fixing to start pulling it apart and get it fixed. It's a video. The whole family is in the Jeep.